Hey everyone, I know it's been a while, but been real busy doing the yard work thing, putting mulch down, and really had time to scrap and nothing. Don't really have to, cause I get these stuff from work. It's brass, a solid brass. I'm about to scrap this. This is metal, but the rest of this is brass. You might not know what this is, cause I get this stuff from work. It's really in there. Metal. I gotta find another bit. Get a bigger screwdriver or something. I'll be right back. Alright, hopefully this will work. A bit slower, but yeah, I gotta figure out how heavy this thing is. Brass is like the second most, weigh by pound, the most expensive thing around my way, after copper. There you go. Nice piece of solid brass. This is brass to the cover. Nice. And just some metal. Some screws. I'll get these stuff from work. Let me see. Whole thing full of these are heavy too. Solid brass. What's this? I think it's heavy. Some brass. Yeah, I'll take the plastic off that. Crazy how people in my workplace just throw these away, not knowing how much they worth. I'll put that in the brass section bucket. Alright. It's hot out here. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Clean my hands. You know, scrapping brass for cash. Talk to y'all later.